Hello everyone, today I'm in Penha Garcia, near to Spain, more or less 5-6 kilometers to Spain, down, it's Spain, okay? And I have interesting property, in my opinion, to present you, okay? It's a rustic land with a ruin. If you're rebuilding for living, it's possible, okay? Stay in the top of the mountain. That part of Portugal is not, you have little mountains, okay? And don't have nothing around. And hope you like it, okay? I present you now the access and all, and if you have any questions, you don't have the answers in the description of the video, please contact me, because it's a pleasure to try to help you. See you! The more important, you have 1.5 kilometers. The access, it's off-road, okay? When you're coming down the main road, you enter in the off-road, and the last 100 meters, it's that. Nobody coming here the last. Here's a lot of years, okay, and the rain broke it. You have a lot of rocks in the middle. That 100 meters you need to works for have condition for car crossing again, okay? At the moment my car stay there because I don't do that part. Start there the bad part and finished here, okay? The access to the main road here at the moment for the vans don't have condition. Normal car coming, it's off-road, but coming, the vans, you don't have conditions. You need to do works for stay better the access for have condition the vans stay here, okay? That here is possible see Monsanto, but I presented that after. And now, in that area, you have a very old village. That's the motive you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think it's 6 ruins, old houses, okay? The people living here and work the land all around. At the moment, you see, at the moment, all you present, for you have an idea, don't stay for sale, okay? All that properties around, it's two brothers. Okay. Sorry. One want to sell, another don't want to sell at the moment because they have more properties and living in Penha Garcia and they have animals and need the land for animals. Eat and that, not for rebuilding. If you see, all stay in ruins, but need the land and don't want to sell now. Tomorrow, never know, but at the moment don't want to sell. Okay, the property I have for sale at the moment I want to present you is here. Okay, I believe it's better see the map. You have the map in the video. Okay, that is one corner going down. Okay, and do that, continuing there. The corner is there. That is the ruin. Okay, that is the ruin. You have it. It's in the documents. Possible rebuilding and living here. Okay. Of course, you don't have electricity and don't have any water point at the moment. In my opinion, they need to do the borehole. Okay. The ruin is that, nothing more than that. All the rocks stay around, but you need to rebuilding. Okay. The views, I think it's incredible. Very beautiful, in my opinion. The property here do that, and after open a little, okay, but I believe that will stay here for save the animals, a lot of years and that, and I need to going that way and finish the video there. The ruin again. Okay, we finished here, and that's it. Here is the private access. Okay, don't have public roads here. Okay, don't have it. That is the access for the flat area, because that land stay into another step. Okay. Going now. The terrace, you have olives, okay? There you have two orange trees, I think an apple trees, that, and all that area you have olives. And two more orange trees. Okay, remember the property start or finished, you know, that wall going down to the ruin. It's more or less flat, that area. Okay, the characteristics of the land, if you see the views, we don't have 100% flat area. Okay, that's the characteristics in Penha Garcia. Penha Garcia have a beautiful dam and track for walking, MTV. Have a lot of people coming visit Monsanto. I'm sure you know. They listen tell about Monsanto. It's an important village. And now we have the fence here, but it's not the limit, the property continuing. Okay. Here it's possible to do something with the vegetables or something, and the fence is protect the animals. If here you have pigs and big animals, you have it, and stay in the middle of the nature, and of course you need to save the vegetables or the small trees and that. Here this is the part you have more rocks. Nobody cleaned that part, and that is the motive. The property coming that fence there, open a little and continuing that wall. Okay, I'm across there now in the middle. If you see old olives here. And rocks and rocks. That rocks is characteristic that area. It's not granito, 100% granito, and it's not schisto. It's a mix, I think, to that area. It's characteristic to that area, to Penha Garcia, Monfortinho, have a nice hotel there, and Monsanto. Okay. And that is, remember that all to the border, going there, do a little going again when I start the video. The property finished here. Okay, do that. Here, do the corner, going down. That's big bushes, okay, and turn back for the ruin. You see, that bushes is the border. I think it's nice place and beautiful views. Across there, the fence. You remember for coming here. And now I'm going to the last part I want to present you. The property. See here. The property do that. And open here. And that flat area. Stay inside to the property. The trees stay in the neighbor, okay? All that clean part, almost all, stay inside the property. The ruin stay included, it's that, okay? See there? That is the terrace I start to present you. The olives and the 2 orange trees in upstairs. That is only rocks. Nobody have an idea if it's an old house or not. Don't stay in the documents. Only that houses stay in the documents. But maybe a lot of years. You have houses here. And that's it. The fence, it's again for the animals, but if you don't take it and put the fence for that way, create access here for directly to the houses and that, it's your land. Do what do you want, okay? Because in the map you understand you don't have any roads, public roads here. The family do that because it's more nice for the animals a lot, but maybe around 10 years the animals don't coming here and don't using that, okay? The fence change if you want it, if you don't want it, maintain it. You decide, the owner of the property decide, okay? And that's it. Hope you like it. You know, if you have any questions about that or another property, you don't see information in the video description, please contact me, okay? Because it's a pleasure. Try to help. See you in the next video.